check this out. This is a simple text and watch what happened when I click on a secret button. Bam! I have created this amazing and realistic shadow with just one click. Not only that, I can change the direction of the shadow anywhere I want, anytime. I can also change the text if I want to, and it's fully customizable. You can even do this to a logo, not just a text layer. Now you are probably wondering how I pulled off this magic trick. Well, it's all thanks to a Photoshop tool that I have created, and you can download it from the link in the video's description. Let me show you how it works. If you don't want to follow along with the video, though it's pretty quick, I have covered it in my previous videos. Just grab it from the description and you are good to go. Okay, so once you download it, just double click on it and it will install it into the Photoshop. Here I have a document with a simple text layer, and it could be anything you want to make a shadow of, like a logo or anything else. I recommend converting your layer into a smart object so that we can edit it later or replace it with a logo. Now go to Windows and choose Action. And there it is, Shadow Maker Photoshop Action. All you have to do is to select the layer you want to create the shadow of and choose the type of shadow you want to create, a hard one or a soft one. I'll go with the soft one for now and just play the action and see the magic. Once it is done, it will ask you for the direction of the shadow. You can choose any direction you want and hit OK. And because it is a smart object, we can edit it by just double clicking on it. This will open another document where you can change the text or replace it with a logo. It's up to you. When you are done, close the document and save it, and it will update everything in the main document. Now let's switch the gears, and instead of soft shadow, let's choose the hard one and see what happens. And that's it, an amazing and realistic shadow with just one click. Now you can use it anywhere in your design. It is so awesome. I have got plenty more Photoshop tools to share, so make sure to subscribe. Also check out this 3D extruder Photoshop action I have shown in this video. I'll see you there. Until then, peace.